got a 11 a.m. checkout time from the Pod Motel. I'm gonna go get some coffee, check out, maybe go to the next motel, and meet Jules at the airport. Time to pick up Jules. You don't need that mask.
How was that flight?
It was really long, but I am ready to get some sleep and get ready to explore Singapore tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
Those are real fucking ducks. What are you doing?
Just doing some homework.
I think this thing fogged up.
Yeah, it's my laptop keeps getting fogged up.
I think we better head downtown and check out Chinatown. Hello.
Hi.
Chinatown to the Marina Bay, where we visit the ArtScience Museum with an installation called We Are Connected.
My name is Patricia Piccinini and I'm a contemporary visual artist. I'm really interested in how we define the natural and the artificial. It is this definition, this duality, that lets us treat other non-human creatures in the way that we do. These chimeras, they question this boundary between us and other species. Just by being there, they question it, and they allow us to connect and engage and empathize with other creatures in a way that we might normally not do in everyday life. I think visitors to this exhibition might experience emotions that we don't even have a name for.
What did you think of that art installation?
Amazing.
But
It was very emotional, I would say. Her perception of human beings and nature brought together is a very unique way of facing like your fears and fear of the unknown, because it was like monster looking
But comfortable.
creatures. Yeah, but
Comforting.
like her like main thing was going from like the fear of the unknown to finding love of the fear of the unknown.
It was heavy.
It was heavy.
Was not expecting to see that. I've seen that one installation, this one, multiple times on social media and tons of comments. And then here we are in Singapore and we just stumble upon it. That's why we're out here.
That was fun, yeah. But now we're gonna go to the top of
The Marina Bay Sands. It's right above us.